अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरा नाम उम्मत शिफा है। मैं 7C की बच्ची हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम शिवाजी नगर म्यूनसिपल उर्दू स्कूल है। मैं इंग्लिश रीडिंग करने जा रही हूँ। सबक का नाम है टीनी टाइनी। Once upon a time there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Now one day this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went off out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny while, she come to a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate and went into a teeny tiny churchyard. And when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grove. And the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, "This teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper." So the teeny tiny woman but put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket and went home to her teeny tiny house. Now when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, she was a teeny tiny bit tired. So she went up her teeny tiny stair to her teeny tiny bed and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. And when this teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, she was wakened by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard which said,